let's start chicken interview.
So, I'm gonna talk to the chicken with my crystal mic, which is invisible. I have no idea if I even have it. Right, guys? Okay, I have it.
Sit down now. Chicken interview. Ask.
Are you a male or female?
Are you
A boy or a girl?
a boy or a girl?
Oh, that's its answer. Oh, okay.
We leave.
Do you know the amount of weight you have? I have no idea what you even call it. Okay, good.
Okay, good.
What language do you speak? Good. Do you like eggs?
Do you like it?
But so you like laying them?
Oh yeah.
Is your father in the barn right now, or is their mom in the barn, or have they died of sickness? Do you get infected by the coronavirus? Oh no, you don't. Okay.
No, you don't.
So you don't get infected by the 2020 virus.
Yeah.
Do you have a vaccine right now? No? Okay. Let's see. Do you know how long you are? Okay. How old are you? Good. What's your favorite color? Oh, brown? Okay. What do you like to eat? Bugs, seed, and other stuff. Okay. Do you like drinking water?
Do you like drinking?
Oh, yes, you do. Okay. Do you know what juice is? You don't know? Okay, good. Where were you born, Mr. Chicken?
Where we were born with the chicken. I mean, not here.
Oh, here?
Or here.
Okay, good. Are you very rich, or do you have any cars? No, you don't.
Oh, you don't. Okay.
How fast are you? Faster than a human? Okay.
What? Okay.
And I think that's all. Oh, you said okay. So let's end the interview. Interview right now.
Interview what?